This project, aptly named the Sibling House by Grove Architects, presented a singular challenge to architects Sky and John Grove to renovate one of two perfectly matched twin houses. The task required an extraordinary balance, demanding absolute respect for the existing architect and the highly considered presence of the original structure on the street, while simultaneously demanding a complete reinvention of the programmatic function for the new owners. The goal was surgical, to transform the house so it was no longer a twin to its neighbor, but a highly respectful sibling. This careful strategy began at the street envelope, where Grove Architects made the firm decision to restrict all external massing changes to the subtle manipulation of infill elements only. This allowed them to introduce moments of modern generosity, such as new double-height spaces, a gracious entry, and a kitchen courtyard, revitalizing the house's connection to its surroundings without disrupting the essential harmony it shared with its twin. The required interior transformation, however, was far more substantial, demanding a wholesale re-engineering of the house's core. The existing configuration, defined by a central service core and a short-axis circulation, had left the spaces feeling isolated and disconnected from the surrounding context. To rectify this, the existing stair, entry, and void were entirely removed. In their place, Grove Architects inserted a new, linear, fully integrated circulation system that transformed the spatial connections, flow, and light across all three levels. This internal liberation, coupled with subtle rear interventions, including a contemporary boxed bay window and a new master bedroom with a planted roof terrace to capture expansive district views, culminated in a total functional and aesthetic rebirth. Ultimately, the Sibling House has been completely reinvented for its clients, offering modern luxury while securing its enduring, respectful relationship with its architectural companion next door. If you enjoyed this deep dive into thoughtful design, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos on innovative architecture and home transformations. We have so much more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.